In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn the Google form responses into a PDF summary. So here's how you would do it. So first, what you need to do is go to Google Forms, click on Google Forms if you're searching for it on Google, and sign in to your account. Make sure you're on the account that you created the form on. So here I am in that account. I'm going to go ahead and open the Google form. And once you've got the form open, you'll be able to see all of the responses in the Responses tab. Here you see an overview, and what we can do is we can go ahead and print this out, which will essentially print a summary. Now to do that, you want to go to the three lines in the top right hand corner next to your profile icon, then click print. Now if you get an error saying you need permission, you can fix this by going to settings. You can then scroll down to presentation. So if you go to presentation, just enable real quick view results summary, and then what you can do from here is go to responses, click on the three dots in the top right, click print. You're then going to be able to get an overview of this. Here you can go ahead and view this overview, and you can then click on print again. So if you go to then the top right hand corner to your web browser, you can print it through that. So click on the three dots in the top right hand corner, then click on print. Then you want to choose Microsoft Print to PDF, and that's going to then print off a summary, including all of the responses in a nice table. And you can then go ahead and click print. I'm just going to call this Google Forms. And then this is now gone to my downloads on my computer. We can then go ahead and find it. So here it is, Google Forms. We'll open it. And here you can see we have everything in a nice summary. You can then go ahead and turn off that setting you enabled so nobody else can see the results. And that is how I would do it. I hope that helped you out.